A big beautiful brain with a pretty face. Yeah, a baby doll with a briefcase. Yeah, a hot little hurricane. Ha! 'Cause I'm feminine and soft, but I'm still a boss. Yeah, red lipstick but still so raw. Yeah, Marilyn Monroe in a monster truck. 'Cause I can be zen and I can be the storm. Yeah, smell like a rose and I pierce like a thorn. Yeah, karate chopping the cliches and norms all in a drug.